Hello my people, how na dey? I greet una from Untouchable Mama. My brothers and sisters, e get wetin I wan talk because if I dey watch something, sometimes I dey watch some video I go just dey laugh. Only me one go just dey laugh. This video na go don see am about this these two sisters, whether not be two, they not be sister. One whether na a boyfriend or whether na a girlfriend, I don't know whether that be husband or wife. I don't even know. So I just watch the video. The thing just dey make me dey laugh. The woman go dey fight. The woman go dey fight her husband. I just say her husband or her boyfriend. The boyfriend girlfriend for whether na hotel. The thing just dey make me dey laugh. My people, one another verse. Now my opinion. If you get man, the man, he get girlfriend. Me I just say, okay, your husband, he dey cheat on you. He get side chick. Why you go dey fight the girlfriend? Why you go dey fight the girl? Where the man don't turn himself to public dog, public use. Why you go dey fight the girl? So women get mind though. Some women they get mind though. I even watch another one. This woman and her husband. They said the woman fed they warn the lady say, leave my husband alone. Leave my husband alone. The woman not leave the husband alone. He go meet her for one big supermarket. See video. See the video now. Many people don't see the video. They done a video and the lady. The side chick, he not talk, he just fold the hand, they listen to the woman. Now so the housewife, they curse, they insult her, they push her, they do this one. Some women now get mind though. When your husband don't talk to public use, now know what it be public use now. Anybody fit go there, take for there, now free of charge. You know if you talk to your husband for inside house, your husband they respect you. Now you go they do that nonsense. And this one will just make me come. So now these two of them, boyfriend and girlfriend, the man the video the two women with them they fight. The video them, the two women then they fight each other. What you they fight put? Wait till now they fight put. For that one where the video now they fight. Hi, Ojai Marco. So women, I don't know what they do then. What did they do now? What did they do now? Your man they cheat on you, you go they beat the girl. When you leave the man for there, you they beat the girl. The man respect you, now make her go they carry another girl. Now me they talk on. If my husband not respect me, he go carry another woman. I not go touch the girl. Now my husband, I go make sure say I break his head. Now me they talk on. I they tell my husband, I say, one day where I go see you, not be say person tell me. The one where they tell me, I know they listen. If you tell me, say, because I don't know whether you want to destroy my hope for me, I go use my two eyes say see am. If I use my two eyes say see am, just dey there see am. You can't tell me say, no one be waiting you they think. I go can't tell you waiting I they think. I go make sure say, that girl, I no go touch her. Lie, waiting go send me. I will go they fight another girl. Now be you turn yourself to a public dog. I will make sure say I destroy you. Now you, when you know say you get wife for us. Men, I know so now they many for my platform. One and one verse. So men they don't get respect. Single respect they don't get for their wife, which is very bad. If you marry, say you marry, respect your wife. Respect her, even though say that marriage you don't want again. Still respect her to the last day. See they respect her. So men. They get mind, They too get mind. Just because of say you don't love that woman. Just because of say you don't love her. You go they do everything to provoke her. Tell her say the marriage don't finish. Tell her straight and direct say, thank God say, I make thy voice day. Tell her say this marriage, you no fit go again. I no need again. It dey pain. It go pain the woman say, I put all my life for them. But sister, try to understand. They say you can force a horse to the river. You cannot force him to drink the water. Man, understand. Try to understand. Say the love not dey again. No need to stay there. No need to force yourself. No need. because he don't tell you with all he has, say he don't finish, and you don't dey experience many things wey they do. Say this man, he not dey with me again. You know now, if you stay with man, you will know whether he still there with you or not. If the man tell you, cross your mind, say this marriage is not to continue. So marriage day, the man will tell you, say don't finish. But you go still see and say he never finish. We women, we don't understand. You go still see and say he never finish. You go feel still do something, you make your husband say, wait till they happen. Now come again together. But some marriage don't they it don't finish. But for car, una just dey ask for nothing. So marriage dey like that. But if the man tell you say don't finish, nothing to do again, and you don't see say nothing at all, you just dey there, just they help, they cook, they do this one. The man not even know whether you do dey there again. Why you go to fight? Leave my husband alone. It no make sense. It no make sense. If your husband tell you or your boyfriend tell you say he don't finish, he really don't finish. Because some marriage day where they finish. Some boyfriend and girlfriend they where still they finish. You know me say it go last forever. Some day where they last forever. Thank God it's still there. But some day, no matter how you go, they push and they go. You they push and you they suffer for inside there. Sister, come on for them. Come on for them. You just they suffer yourself for nothing. While some women will go they fight side chic. Una get mind though. Una get mind. The day when you go see the one way head don't correct, where get mental problem, it go destroy you for nothing. Because of that man we not respect you. Because of that man where they cheat on you. Person where you supposed to beat, you not beat them. You go they beat another person. So men they go tell you say never marry. That girl go follow. You no say get wife. You no say get wife. If they many now with the year many. But the day when you go come see say get wife, go say I no fit, I no want problem, I no want problem. But the man go see they push your head for them. Because they push your head, you must marry me, you must do this one. Sorry, say I not tell you say I get wife. But the story don't finish. Some men they lie. Now so it still be for some women. Oh, now so it still be for women. But this one now, I just they talk about the men. Oh, sister, those one where just they fight. The man stand, they video them. See, I don't even know as I'll take color. Two of them they fight for one man where stand for them. The video and they play. It just they video and someone they fight. Then they fight each other. Women not be so it's supposed to be now. You be woman, we be woman. We're not supposed to be like that. The man will not respect you. Then you're supposed to put pepper for your eye. You go just pepper, you go grind her, you go put salt, join her. You make sure say you put her for the two eye. Because now he not respect you. Not be the girl not respect you. Now your husband not respect you. Because if he respect you, he see say you be gold, you be my queen. You know what they do nonsense now. So men they cheat, eh? So men they cheat, but you know go lie because he get respect for your wife. Because they say no men will not they cheat. Sunday will not they cheat. Sunday and Sunday they sabi hide down well. Not be say that they hide down to say they hide down. If they respect your wife, even though say wife tell and say I hear, he will say no be now lie that they tell you. If they respect your wife, why say go just do one? That one where they do one, just do one come out. Go say what did they happen? That one I no get respect for your wife. You go even see the wife go even see the husband for bar with another girl. He go shake head. He go maybe go meet and say you not go work today, but you tell me say they go work. You go tell the wife say oh yeah me and they see you go house. The wife will go really go house. He go tell the girlfriend say no man now. Now that one I no get respect. Those one where they cheat, where they hide down, because they no need waiting go hurt their wife. I know say that they do and say good though. You know say men now even though say man, he get wife where be say even a zomoko no. Where be say if you see the woman, you say oh God, see this beautiful woman. the man go still dey cheat because na know say men and their eye na to wetin we dey call dem say galeto na be okporu. No say okporu na dangbe na no okporu na no sati talk am for okporu dangbe okporu amiyo ho dangbono na omiyo ho no pa dangbono na so men be so my brothers and sisters, especially our women wey go dey fight, you go dey fight woman like you. Because if my you know sit down make you think and say, if my man really respect me, he go allow me to see these things. He no allow me to see am because he no need my problem. He want me mad. Because if you talk say your man no dey cheat on you, let me say thank God for your life. Like my own, no dey cheat on me because me I do dey tell my husband say, if me and you dey the same room, the same house, and I dey trust you. Once you comot your leg, I no trust you again. That's what it be. Nothing say, I know if you tell you say that's why I trust you, I'll come put my hand for inside fire for you, I go say I want to swear for you. No. You know say some men wey gentle well and then what's pass so. Some way you go just think say, you no fit do am. Now they do am pass, but they respect the woman wey dey their house. You no need problem. You no need them. So some women wey you just come out, you go dey fight another woman. Leave my husband alone. Someday when you don't fight finish, now there your husband will come tell you, so you go just pack a load, you go sit down for the woman house. You go say, wetin wan happen, may it happen. Women they do all these things. If you see say your marriage don't end, if you don't come out, it don't end. Carry your bag. But my job, this life with the you now only one chance then they live on. You live on where? Live on where? Not because another man. Because of your husband, you go fight another woman. That woman can't destroy you. It go break your head before you know anything. Now hospital you dey. Now only God now go save you if you come up for there. Because of waiting now. Because of waiting, because you want fight, say your husband they carry another woman. Don't do that. Don't do that. Try to talk to your husband. I know say some women they talk to the girlfriend. Tell her say I beg, leave my husband alone. Leave my husband, they know the year. I know say some those ones still there. But your husband, still try to talk to her. Say this kind of way they do me so. He good. Try to understand, not to go the fight. If you go fight, the woman can't beat you, or now you beat the woman. Maybe you just beat the woman. Then we say the housewife, he beat the side chick. The side chick now, he there for coma. He there for coma. For hospital. You know say you don't put yourself for problem. You don't put yourself for big problem. Why you go the fight? Matt dey to talk. I know say na pepper body, it dey pain, but we need to talk. If you say I want come marry, I know say traditional marriage. If you say I want come marry now, no say not be people wey marry for court marriage o. Wey marry for so make come house, make you just know say na inside house na dey. Abi, na so me I dey talk am. So my sisters, I just dey look this one yesterday. I see the video. They just dey fight. The thing wey pay me pass, the man dey video them. The man wey they fight for. Say leave my boyfriend alone. Leave my boyfriend alone. That one stand in the video, two of them. They put her for social media. Can you imagine the disgrace? The woman now where go dey fight say na my boyfriend. Tomorrow go see do another one now because you go still go do another one. How many people you go fit fight? How many you go fit fight? Maybe the day when you go the wrong one, it go break your head, blood come out, everything come out because of one man. Because of one man, we not know the way not they give you respect. Because if they give you respect, you know go they do all those things. And so still, it get what they call rapporto aperto. This one na Italian language at the talker. That is open relationship. Open relationship. We they call them for Italy say rapporto aperto. When boyfriend and girlfriend they go there. Now for the beginning, then they talk out. Go say me and you na boyfriend and girlfriend. But you understand? I feel still the friend of that person. I no need problem. So they like that. Now that one then they call rapporto aperto. Open relationship. Then they call them. Even there's some for marriage. The day where I hear this one for marriage, oh, the thing, the get as be now say this thing still dey happen. My friend they talk this one. That means if you be boyfriend and girlfriend, you are free to friend anybody when you like. The man. Now so the woman still be. No question, no fight, nothing. I say, this one good though, because we are not married yet. When I come see am for husband and wife also, they still get matrimonial appeal to that is matrimonial appeal to, that is husband and wife. The husband, then two of them married, then get children, they stay for inside house, but the woman still they go outside, problem not there. So family not come house, come tell the husband as he waka. Now so the man go still they do, tell the wife as he waka. Then as I see and I say, so this thing, I be saying only boyfriend and girlfriend, they will still there for husband and wife. It's still there for two of them. So my brothers and sisters, what make me they talk all these things? If I say this one will say na my boyfriend, this one will say na my boyfriend. Who will come be the boyfriend now? The man now go stand for them. He will say now no say more they fight on herself. And now two of us they will choose they fight themselves. If you don't leave my boyfriend alone, if you don't leave this one say na my boyfriend, this one will say na my boyfriend. Why now will they fight? For waiting. For waiting now. And the man go stand, go the video now. And people go they look now. So my brothers and sisters, me I don't know what they go on for some people. When some people know say their relationship is no dey again, especially some of them, they will know say their relationship no dey again, that the friendship is no dey again. They know, but they want just cause problem. They want just cause problem for them. Me I don't see the one way in with this boy they no dey again. Just because of say see this boy with another girl, he say with this boy they start to fight themselves. They start to fight themselves. And the boy now, that one, the one we see, that one, the boy now, he can't join the one way he dey with now. He can't join now. Can you imagine? Where some women, their brain, I don't know where it dey. Just because of say you with the boy not dey again, you see her with another woman. The thing come they make you say, na my boyfriend. I don't know, sha. So my brothers and sisters, because sometimes we have to, especially those who don't marry, I know say they pain. It dey pain on. Say you see your husband say he get another girlfriend, and maybe the man not dey sleep house, he dey waka anyhow, but you have to talk to your husband, carry your husband, make una talk. So you know say some women with some men, they know they talk. They be their husband and wife. They not get what we they call the ideologo. Ideologo, that is to talk to each other, to talk many things. No be only say you don't come for work, I work today, finish for them. Many things about una friendship, about una you know, everything. You have to talk. All these things they help. They help. If you get where you for offend the man, you know, say some women some women then maybe they just say pregnant, they'll just get pregnancy. It just, you know, say everybody get the way when they take the pregnancy. Some day we just pregnant now, till 3 months now, you no go, body no go come back. Some day go now, so you go they vomit to till that 3 months. Some day oh body and some women they when go get pregnancy, no near his husband again. Still there, he no go near again. Tell me, person when you just take in now. You know feel you live your husband. Till when you go born, till when pikin, because not be when you go born, you go start to do something now. No, now after. Man, some men no fit stay. Some men no fit stay. That one still the cause and where some men they run go outside. I know say no be you the cause because now the hormone as you take get belle, you don't want anything. Now so you know feel fine because everybody we are not the same. Now different way. This one go some people they go get belle. Now so in with your husband almost every day now they go they no jolly. So they not they jolly again. Till when you go after it don't born. That kind of thing they destroy many people. They destroy when some men will come see say my wife he get belle, he no near me again. He kukuma dey talk to, you know, na so it dey happen now. This one is still dey destroy, he still join well, because not be all men dey take am. When some day you go say wetin I go do, you go take am, you know, not be all men. So just dey when the something go just see another fine baby, just dey run follow am. So my brothers and sisters, just say me I just leave this little message for many women, girls wey dey fight because of man. Why? Na because you never see person wey break your head o, na e cause am. Because if you don see person wey carry you go hospital, if you come out for that hospital, if you see person, you no go even near, you no go say because of one man go take my life. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Because person wey you dey plan say you wan go beat, you dey plan say you wan go beat person, ama lo boni bahe. And some fights dey, some women dey one out fight, maybe una see each other, you as you do one that thing, e no reply you. Now the next time I go reply you when he wan reply you, because you first do one. The first to do not dey pay, second to do na him dey pay. You go make sure say you pay for that thing wey you do. E dey some women dey like that o. The first time no talk to you, you curse am, you beat am, no talk, no mean say na ozuo. When he go wait for you, if you see your head come out for them, you go dey happy. So for me, I no fit dey go dey fight my own fellow woman, say leave my husband alone, leave my husband alone. Now my husband now go beat. Now so me dey talk am. Now you me I go beat, because I say you respect me. If you not allow me to see this thing, since you not get respect for me, I will make sure say I shoot pepper for your eye. And so me I dey talk my own. What it concern me concern the girl. Not be you go toast am. Now you go toast am. Now when you know say you get wife for us, you go toast am. So you now go receive the beat, not be the girl. The girl not do me anything. I will make sure say you receive the beating. You now go receive am. I will not tell the girl, just dey go. Now so me I dey talk, now my opinion. Everybody get their opinion. When some will not go beat the man, they go they beat the woman. What did the woman do? I know say now they follow your man, but your man not respect you. Like say respect you if you not allow you to see all those things. He not get respect for you. So you will make sure say you beat am well. So my brothers and sisters, I know say woman not get hand to beat man. There are many ways where they beat man. Woman not get hand to fight. There are many ways. Like me, if I want me, if you do me something, you will be man. I know if he beat you, I will make sure say wetin pay you pass, I will destroy for your hand. Do what if you get car, I will make sure say I put fire now leg now you come to the worker. You never see. I beg my brothers and sisters. So now be that one. So I no go do they fight my fellow woman. We just sit down you because me say my husband not respect me. I go they beat her. No beat her. I will make sure say I beat the man. If I not feel beat you, say now blow and blow, because woman not get power. I will make sure say I do you something. You will say, hey, this woman, wait till this woman. You go they remember. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed. One love.